This time around, it is important for you to know exactly what steps you need to follow to present it. So we'll go straight to our examples. The first example we'll be dealing with is to present -8/3 and 8/3 on this number line. The first step is to convert your improper fraction into mixed numbers like this. When we convert this, we arrive at -2 and 2/3, while the right hand side leaves us at +2 and 2/3. So they are equally distant from 0, therefore 0 is going to be at the center. So since the numbers, when you properly take a look at it, lie between 0 and 3 on the positive side, while the second one lies between 0 and -3 on the negative side, just know that we are presenting on the right hand side numbers 1, 2, and 3, and on the left hand side -1, -2, and -3. Now note something important: they have the same denominators, 3 and 3. So it means that we just have to divide each section into 3 equal parts. Instead of dividing position 0 and 1, 0 and 2, I can just come straight here and divide it into 3, because I know I'm dealing with two whole number after all. So I just divide here into 3 equal parts. The next thing I'm going to do is to locate my values. I already have my place for -2 whole number on the left hand side. So I will just need to look for 2/3. And this is 1/3, this is 2/3. So this is the exact position to present my -8 upon 3. And then the right hand side is going to lie here, because this is 2 whole number. This is 1/3, 2/3, which is exactly the same as 8/3. Look at question we have in B. Here we have -12/5 and 1 whole 2/5. So what we're going to do here is to change -12/5 into mixed number, which is the same as -2 whole and 2 upon 5. The right hand side lies between 0 and 2, while the left hand side lies between 0 and -3. Therefore, our 0 cannot be at the center this time. We can put our 0 here so that we create more space on the left. So on the right hand side, let this be our position for 1, and here is our position for 2. On the left hand side, this is position for -1, position for -2, and here we've got -3. Because they have the same denominators 5, we just have to divide each interval into 5. But I'll quickly jump to where my answer is located and do that there, instead of working on all of them to save time. So I've divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. And on the left hand side, since my answer is located between -2 and -3, I will have to divide just that center. Okay, we divide here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, on my negative side, I already have my -2 whole here. So I just need to count 2 more. 1, 2. This is where I have my -12 upon 5. And on the right hand side, 1 whole number is already here. I just need to count 2 more. 1, 2. And this is where I have 1 whole and 2/5. This is done as required. So what I need you to do is to solve the question and see. Let's see how well you have understood.